Are you ready to unlock more purchasing power with your TD Bank credit card? Stick around, because we're about to reveal the step-by-step guide to increasing your credit limit online, effortlessly and efficiently. Whether you're eyeing a big purchase, planning some long-term travel, or just wanting a thicker financial safety net, you are in exactly the right place for today's explainer.
We all want a bit more financial breathing room, right? Less friction, more flexibility. But for a lot of folks, dealing with banks and credit limits can honestly feel pretty intimidating or just way too technical. But my goal today is to completely demystify this whole process for you. We are going to walk through exactly how to request a credit limit increase with TD Bank using their digital tools. And the best part is, you don't need any prior banking expertise to pull this off.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap for today. 1. Why increase your limit? 2. A step-by-step online guide. 3. Understanding pre-approved offers. And 4. The impact on your credit.
Section 1. Why increase your limit?
Now, you might be wondering, why on earth would I want more credit if I have absolutely no immediate plans to spend it? It kind of sounds counterintuitive, doesn't it? But there's actually a massive strategic benefit here. It all boils down to your credit utilization rate. That's really just the amount of revolving credit you're currently using divided by the total credit you have available across all your cards. Think of it like a giant pizza. Eating 3 slices out of a 10-slice pizza looks a whole lot better to a lender than eating 3 slices out of a tiny 3-slice pizza. If you get a credit limit increase but you keep your spending exactly the same, your balance to limit ratio naturally drops. And let me tell you, that makes you look fantastic to lenders, especially considering this ratio accounts for roughly 20 to 30% of your FICO score.
30%. That is the magic number, guys. Financial experts, including the folks over at Equifax, strongly advise keeping your credit utilization rate below 30% to really protect and improve your credit scores. So if you've got a $1,000 limit, you really never want your balance creeping over $300. Asking for a limit increase is basically a highly effective shortcut to driving your utilization percentage down below that threshold. And that is absolutely vital if you're prepping for a major financial commitment, like getting a mortgage. Aside from just the credit score boost, the practical everyday perks are huge. Imagine your AC unit literally dies in the middle of July. Bam! You suddenly have emergency funds on standby. A higher limit also increases your spending power, so you don't end up maxing out your card on a single large purchase. And you can maximize those sweet rewards points by routing more of your everyday spending through the card. But hey, a quick word of caution. Higher limits are totally a double-edged sword. You have to ensure that higher limit actually fits your budget. Exceeding what you can realistically manage could lead to declined transactions, nasty over-limit fees, or even penalty interest rates.
Moving right along to Section 2, our step-by-step online guide.
So, assuming you're ready to wield that double-edged sword responsibly, how do we actually make this happen online? Well, before you start clicking buttons, you need to gather a few things. TD Bank require you to literally be the primary cardholder. Authorized users can't make this request. Your account also must be open and in good standing, meaning no recently missed payments. Have your EasyWeb or TD app login credentials ready to go, and this is super important. Know your current gross annual income and your monthly rent or housing payment. Oh, and ideally, you want your credit score sitting comfortably above 670 to give yourself the best possible shot at approval.
Let's walk right through the exact click path for TD's desktop portal EasyWeb. Step 1, you just log in. Step 2, click on the specific TD credit card account you're looking to increase. Step 3, look for the Manage tab and hit Request a Credit Limit Increase. Step 4, this is where that prep work pays off. Just punch in your gross income and your housing payments. And finally, Step 5, submit it. The system is then going to automatically advise you if you are approved for your requested amount, approved for a lower amount, or declined. It's incredibly straightforward.
Now, if you're more of a phone person, the workflow in the TD app for iOS and Android is remarkably similar. Just launch the app, log in, select the card, tap the top menu to find Manage, then select Credit Limit Increase, pop in your housing and income stats, and finalize. TD Bank specifically designed these self-service pathways to completely reduce friction. You can literally get this done from your couch in just a few minutes without ever having to call a branch or wait on hold.
Section 3. Understanding pre-approved offers.
Now, what if you didn't even have to ask? Seriously, this is one of the best surprises you can possibly get when you log into your banking portal. TD Bank actually conducts periodic reviews of their cardholders' accounts behind the scenes. If they see you've got a solid history of on-time payments and you maintain a low debt level, they might proactively offer you an increase. You'll usually find these notifications sitting right under the Manage tab in EasyWeb, right below your credit limit. Because it's a targeted offer, it is only valid for the named recipient. You can't transfer it. And the absolute best part, accepting it just takes a few clicks to consent to the terms online.
And the speed of these pre-approved offers is just fantastic. Once you click to accept and consent, your new higher credit limit will be effective in just 1 to 2 business days. It's honestly a great way that TD Bank rewards really responsible borrowing behavior.
Which brings us to Section 4, the impact on your credit.
Okay, this is where people usually get a little nervous. So let's separate fact from fiction. The entire conversation really just comes down to hard pulls versus soft pulls. When TD Bank reviews your account behind the scenes to give you an automatic pre-approved offer, that is a soft pull. It has zero impact on your credit score. Literally zero. However, if you initiate the request online or over the phone, or if you decline a pre-approved offer because you want to ask for an even higher amount, TD Bank will conduct a hard pull on your credit report. But remember, they absolutely cannot do this without your explicit permission.
And honestly, a hard pull isn't the end of the world. You can expect a temporary little dip of around 5 points to your credit score when you initiate that request. That's it, just a small 5-point drop. And the really great news is that in the long term, having that higher limit lowers your utilization rate, which can actually work to improve your score. After a few consecutive months of timely payments, your score should bounce right back from that minor dip.
To manage this smartly, you've got to keep this timeline in mind. Experts highly recommend waiting 6 to 12 months between your credit limit increase requests. Why? Because you really want to build a track record. Your chances of approval are much, much better if you have made your last 6 consecutive payments totally on time. Constantly knocking on the bank's door asking for increases can make you look risky to them, and we definitely want to avoid that entirely.
Which brings us to some troubleshooting and best practices. If you want to optimize your chances, make sure you update your income on file regularly. If you get a raise or a new job, let TD Bank know, because they are way more likely to approve you if they see you can actually afford a higher limit. Also, work on paying down your existing debt to lower that utilization rate. Now, if your request happens to be denied, hey, don't panic. You can always call TD customer service for a reconsideration, or just take some time to pay down your existing debt and check your credit report for errors before you try again.
Managing your credit limits wisely empowers your financial future. It's not just about having the ability to spend more. It's about being strategic. It's about utilizing the tools TD Bank provides, like EasyWeb and the mobile app, to intentionally lower your credit utilization, build a stronger, more resilient credit score, and create a financial safety net that truly serves your long-term goals.
Before we completely wrap up today, I do need to read our disclaimer. This explainer provides general advice based on the provided source materials. Everyone's financial situation is totally unique, so definitely consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized recommendations. Now, I want to leave you with one final thought. Armed with this exact step-by-step knowledge, how are you going to optimize your financial strategy today? Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.